6/2/21, we have AMC. The stock, people keep trying to short the stock, and what happens is they keep buying it, and the shorts have to buy the cover, and now you're getting all of this volume on it, my friends. 684 million shares? Come on. That is 685 million shares, everybody. And this is what happens. You got the majority of the people that are chasing the other people. Then you have the quants, which are machines that keep buying it and bidding it up. Then you got people that short it and it doesn't go down, and then they have to buy it back to get out of it. And so now you're getting the best world, and it continues to go higher. And it could even go higher from here. But I will just share this with everyone. When I was featuring this on Free Option Trader channel, I was featuring AMC when it was down there at $10.80, where it was worth buying, and $12.50. And we thought a short squeeze like this was going to happen 2 or 3 months ago, but it never did. And it didn't. And it just happened recently in the last week. And you can see the lower dollar money. It's a cheap stock. It's trading at what, $66 now, up $34 on the day. Okay. And so the change from where it was the other day is very significant. And it had a $37.35 gap open. They hit a high today of $72.62, trading at 67.30 right now. And that is a daily chart. And it can go up higher. GameStop is working too, GME, and it's working for those people that do the chat room shit. Okay? And just let me tell you what happens with gamblers. They lose. And they will lose on this. And I will be there the day that they do. And you got to know that if you're riding a wave, which is good, but you got to know when to be a seller. And you don't, anybody watching this video, you do not buy into this AMC, because then that makes you just as big a gambler as the people that are driving the prices up. We've seen this before. We've seen it originally in GameStop. And now AMC and their theaters, they, even if their business was working at the best perfect world in the world, does not warrant the stock price. There's been many people coming out saying, sell it, it's not worth more than $5 or $7 book value. And I'm just going to caution people that it was a great trade, and it was when we were featuring it. Do not buy into it now. This is the monthly chart that I'm pulling up right now. And here is the monthly chart. When I was featuring it, it was right over here on just May 2nd. Stock was still down here at $11, and it made a big high here, and it dropped down. Then they came back and they ran it up. And then today, you could see this monthly bar for this month. And this month has just started. So the majority of the moves happened in the last 2 days. Do not buy this stock. It could go higher and probably will go higher. But you don't need to be the gambler, because you don't. And on a monthly chart, it's only going to be able to go up so high. And it can move up higher. I can see where they could even possibly move another, well, just to give you the idea, we have 693 million shares. This stock could easily trade up above $100 and still continue to go higher. But don't chase this stock. And don't, because you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow morning. And you don't know what kind of regulators are going to be coming after this. And they're going to want to know why this is irrational exuberance, is what the regulators are going to say in AMC. And for the little guys, this is wonderful. And it's wonderful because you're riding a wave. You got hedge fund managers that try to short it. They got to buy back big blocks to get out. That runs the stock up even more. Then you got regular, because the stock is cheap, $66. So you got people that will sell short the shares. Stock has been halted today a couple of times, and it has. And I can just give you the numbers on it. In this case, the year to date change in this name is $64. The year to date change in GameStop is plus $269. GameStop far better than AMC. It's just a movie theater to go watch movies. Well, more people are watching new box office movies from home. And the cable industry is probably going to take over that and whatnot. There's nothing better than going to the movie theater. I know that. But the price is not reasonable. And it can trade up higher. Don't get me wrong. But if you get in it and it drops $25 on the opening bell, that's not going to be any fun. And if people are buying this stock on margin to try to ride the wave, you might as well come to Vegas and go to the casino. It's no different when this is going on. I just want you to know that. And you probably see it in lots of publications. You've seen it around. I'm telling you that it can go higher, but don't buy it and chase it to go higher. Don't do that because you don't know what can happen tomorrow. Look at the mentality is chase it. Chase it. It's going to go higher. The next guy thinks that. So the energy behind it is buy, 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 buy. But what happens when that stops? Yeah. And be careful because there will be investigations on this. And there will be. And once again, congratulations to the people that are in it. Like I said, we liked it over here when it was cheap. And we have the live videos right now on the channel. Just type in AMC. It'll bring up all the videos that we did on it. Yeah, we're the stars behind it. And you can see the results now. And not only that, here's what I'm going to show you. On the YouTube channel, if I want to search for a video, I can type in AMC right here. And you will be able to go back. It'll have the date on 5/24. We featured GameStop, and here's the proof, and here's everything about it. Okay? And that it was a cheap stock. And it was. Right here. I said the chart is looking good. It's a nice move higher. It's a cheap stock. Well, it's not cheap anymore, everybody. And this is when we were covering it right here. And it is on the YouTube channel and the date of that video. Now, what I am saying on the update of this video is for you not to chase the price. There's a difference when it's down here at $10, $11. You could never lose any more money than that. But now your risk is extremely high because it's $67 and you could lose all of it. It's not cheap. Do not chase the stock. That's my warning. And I'm glad you listened to the video. Okay? Don't do it. Congratulations to the people that are in it. But I can just tell you, the volume now is 697 million. This thing is going to go past 700 million shares. GameStop right now is up 36.91 and AMC is up $34.14. GameStop only has 14.6 million shares traded. This AMC has 698 million, my friend. Good luck. Don't chase it.